I'd like to thank my family. As they're sitting there, my grandmom went through my whole closet for Miss World and re-sewn each and every button on it. My mom came to live with me this last 3 weeks before I go to make me healthy food. You know, she's there when I wake up, she's there when I go to bed. She sits with me if I cycle on my bike at home. My dad, even though you're in Fortress and you're working so hard, I know that you're in my heart, and I know that I received my heart forgiving from you. When I was a little girl, running around after you in the hospital, just seeing how happy you make other people, I decided that I want to do that. So thank you very much. My aunt, she's like my second mom. And my cousin with a little baby, Michelle, also a tester baby, who could not be here today. Thank you so, so much. I am who I am today because of you. And I would also like to thank my hometown, Volksrust, and also Bloemfontein, not to forget them. So thank you very much for each and every one. And I am planning on bringing that crown back home.